What's up guys, and in this lecture I'm gonna be teaching you how to work with global variables and local variables, and what are these variables, what's the difference between these two type of variables. So a global variable is a variable which you can use everywhere in the script and the code, and local variable is something you can use only in functions. So I will create variable, just simple variable called fruit. I will call it, it will have a value apple, and now I will create function called word, and here I will output our variable to the browser. So document.write fruit. So now when we need to, in order to see that, we need to run it. So I will call this function word, and it will basically call the global variable called fruit, and it will output apple. So we can access these global variables in functions also. And now, what is a local variable? So this was a global variable. Example of global variable, how it works. Also, we can use it in a function, how I said, and also we can use it just like this, and we will have 2 times apple, 2 times called this one variable from the function and just from regular script from outside. And now I will show you local variable. So let's go and copy or move. So we have it here now. This is called local variable. It's something what we can use only in function. So also we can only work with it inside the function. So now let's check this out. We call the function, and we call the variable outside of function without accessing the function. So when we refresh, we have only one time apple here, because we can only access the variable through the function. We cannot access the local variable outside of function.